Hi everyone, thank you for joining. Today we will be working through a question from ChatGPT. I typed in, give me a trigonometric question to solve. Now I've got plenty of problems to solve, but this is for your purposes. They want us to find, or rather ChatGPT wants us to find the value of sin x plus y, given that sin x is 0.6 and cos y is 0.8. First thing I would like to do is expand sin x plus y into sin x multiplied by cos y plus cos x multiplied by sin y. Let us substitute. So 0.6 multiplied by 0.8 plus, now we don't have the values of cos x and sin y. We need to make cos x and sin y in the form of sin x and cos y. We can do this using the following identity. Cos squared theta plus sin squared theta is equal to 1. We make cos theta subject to the formula, so that's root of 1 minus sin squared theta. Then we do the same for sin theta, which is the root of 1 minus cos squared theta. Now we can substitute these into that position, and this is what we end up with. The root of 1 minus sin squared x multiplied by the root of 1 minus cos squared x. Sorry, that should be cos squared y. Now we can substitute the values of sin x and cos y. So we've got 0.6 multiplied by 0.8 plus, open brackets, 1 minus 0.6 squared multiplied by 1 minus 0.8 squared. This is equal to 0.6 multiplied by 0.8 plus 0.8 multiplied by 0.6. This is equal to 0.48 plus 0.48. This is equal to 0.96. Therefore, sin x plus y is equal to 0.96. Now I did type what is the solution into ChatGPT, and we see it does the same thing using the Pythagorean identity. Sin squared x plus cos squared x is 1, and they end up with sin x plus y equal to 0.96. So we have solved the question. Please subscribe and let me know which parts you do not understand, and if there's any other question you have from ChatGPT.